Hello everyone, myself Sachin. In this video, we are going to discuss about binary search tree and various operations of the BST. These are insert, delete and searching. Initially, I am presenting the properties of the binary search tree. First property is key of left child is lesser than key of its parent. Property number 2, key of right child is greater than key of its parent. All keys are unique. And fourth property is left subtree and right subtree are also binary search tree. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel. Also like, share and comment the video. Say here, following nodes are given, following values are given. These values are called the key. We have to insert from left to right. I mean, first value is inserted 37 and last value to be inserted, this is 7. Insertion from left to right. Initially, binary search tree is empty. Therefore, we are inserting 37. After inserting 37, your tree is empty. So we are inserting 37 in the root node. 37 becomes the root node. After it, we have to insert 2. And this 2 is compared with 37. Our property is in the left hand side, key should be smaller than its parent. Obviously 2 is lesser than 37. I mean 2 should be inserted in the left hand side of 37. Therefore, we have inserted 2. After 2, we have to insert 45. We compare 45 with the root and this 45 is greater than 37. Therefore, 45 we have to insert in the right hand side of 37. We have inserted 45. After 45, we have to insert 48. This 48 is further compared with the root node. 48 is greater than 37. Now we are at here. This 48 is compared with 45. Further 48 is greater than 45. Therefore, 48 should be inserted in the right hand side of 45. We have inserted 48. After 48, we have to insert 41. This 41 is compared with the 37. 41 is greater than 37. We are at 45. This 41 is lesser than 45. We have to insert 41 in the left hand side of 45. Therefore, 41 has been inserted. After 41, we have to insert 29. 29 is further compared with the 37. This is the root. And this 29 is lesser than 37. We are at in the left hand side. Now 29 is greater than 2. Therefore, we have to insert 29 in the right hand side of 2. We have inserted 29 here. After it, we have to insert 20. 20 is compared with 37. 20 is lesser than 37. Now 20 is greater than 2. Now 20 is lesser than 29. Therefore, 20 should be inserted in the left hand side of 29. We have inserted 20. After 20, we have to insert 30. This 30 is compared with the 37. 30 is lesser than 37. We are at here. Now 30 is greater than 2. We are here. 30 is greater than 29. Therefore, 30 should be inserted in the right hand side of 29. 30 has been inserted. Now we are inserting 49. 49 is compared with 37. 49 is greater than 37. 49 is greater than 45. 49 is greater than 48. We have to insert in the right hand side of 48. I mean 49 has been inserted. Finally, we have to insert 7. This 7 is compared with the 37 and 7 is lesser than 37. We are at 2. Further, 7 is greater than 2. We are at 29. 7 is lesser than 29. We are at 20. And further 7 is lesser than 20. We have to insert 7 in the left hand side of 20. We have inserted 7. So in this way, we can perform the insert operation. If we talk about the searching operation, next operation is searching. Say we want to search 29. Whatever we want to search, first of all, it is compared with 37. It is compared with the root. 29 is lesser than 37. Now we are at 2. After at 2, 29 is compared with the 2 and 29 is greater than 2. We are at here. This 29 is matched. In this way, we can perform the search operation. I mean, for the searching, one comparison with the root, second comparison with 2, and third comparison with 29. In 3 comparison, we have find here 29. So this is all about the searching operation. If we talk about the next operation, this is called here deletion. Deletion is possible through 3 ways. I mean, we want to delete a node. That node has no child. That node has one child. That node has 2 children. Initially, we are presenting the case and we want to delete a node that has no child. We want to delete 49. 49 contains no child here. The process is here very simple. First of all, search 49. 49 is compared with 37. We are here. 49 is greater than 45. We are at 48. 49 is compared with 48. We are at 49. 49 is found. After finding the 49, this node is deleted. Just delete 49. In this way, we can delete 49. After deletion, this is our here final tree. Now we are discussing about case 1, case 2, where a node, we want to delete here 48 and this node has one child. I mean, this is the case where node has one child and we want to delete it. We want to delete 48. Here further process is very simple. We have to link parent of 45 with the child of 49. I mean 45 points to 49 and delete 48. This is the process. 45 contains points to 49 and delete 48. 45 is the parent of 48 and 49 is the child of 48. In this way, we have deleted. Now we are discussing the case of any node that has 2 children. This is the case. 37 contains here 2 children. Children 1, 2 and children 2 is here 45. We want to delete here 37. In this case, we have to find out the greatest element of the left subtree. So this is here our left subtree. And greatest element of the left subtree is 30. I mean, rightmost value of the left subtree is the greatest element. Therefore, 30 is the greatest element of the left subtree. After finding the greatest element of the left subtree, this 30 is copied at the root. I mean the node that we want to delete it. So we have copied 30 here. After copying this 30 into this place, now we have to delete this 30 because we have already deleted 37. In place of 37, we have copied 30 and this 30 is extra now. We want to delete this 30 and this 30 now contains no child. Here this 30 contains no child. Just we can delete it. So there are here 2 possibilities. This particular node may has one child or this particular node may have no child. If this particular node does not have no child, just delete it. If this particular node has one child, then we have to follow the deletion process of deletion of in case of we have one child. So this is all about our delete operation. So in this way we can perform the delete operation. Thanking you.